Kid Wiz Channel. Let's learn together.
Hawa's Bakery Dream. In a small town, there was a young baker named Hawa. She was only 6 years old but loved helping her father, who was a professional baker, in their bakery. Every day after school, Hawa would put on her tiny apron and join her father in the kitchen. She helped mix the dough, shape the bread, and decorate the cakes. Hawa had a big dream. She wanted to make the best bake in the whole town. She practiced every day, listening carefully to her father's instructions and trying her best to make each bake perfect. One day, the town held a baking contest. Hawa was excited. She decided to enter her special chocolate cake. With her father's guidance, Hawa baked the cake with love and care. When the judges tasted her cake, they were amazed. It was the most delicious cake they had ever eaten. Hawa won the contest and became known as the town's youngest and brightest baker. She was so happy and proud of herself. From that day on, Hawa continued to bake with passion and determination. She knew that with hard work and practice, she could achieve anything she dreamed of. And so, in their little bakery, Hawa and her father shared their love for baking and inspired others to follow their dreams.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.